Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Video channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet butterfly and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will use Rico Essential yarn and hook number 2.5mm as shown now. Let's start. I will start round 1. I will make a slip knot as usual, then make 6 chains and close them with slip stitch to make a ring. Then make 6 chains and make 3 double crochet into the ring as shown now. And repeat the group. So I will make 3 chains and make 3 double crochet into the ring and repeat that 3 times. I will make it and I'll come back. I will start round 2. I will make 3 chains and turn our work and make 2 double crochet into first space as shown now. Then make 11 chains and make 3 double crochet into same space. Then make 3 double crochet into the next space as shown now. Then make 7 chains and make 3 double crochet into same space. And make 3 double crochet into the next space and repeat that 2 times more. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will make 11 chains again and make 3 double crochet into same space. I will start round 3. I will turn our work and make 11 double crochet stitches into the first space as shown now. Then make 3 chains and make another 11 double crochet stitches into same space. I will make it and I'll come back. Then make a slip stitch into the space between 3 double crochet, that and another 3 double crochet. Here I will make slip stitch as shown now. Then make 8 double crochet stitches into next space and make 3 chains. Then make 8 double crochet stitches into same space. I will make it and I'll come back. Then make slip stitch into that space as shown now, and I will repeat with the same sequences for the other side. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will make slip stitch above last double crochet as shown now to close that round. Then I will make slip stitch into next 3 loops as shown now here. then make slip stitch into the circle here, and make 11 chains as shown now. Then make 3 loops and pull yarn over last chain as shown now. Then make slip stitch into next 9 stitches as shown now. Then make slip stitch into the circle as shown now, and make another 11 chains to make another one as shown now. Then make 3 loops and pull yarn over last chain, then turn and make slip stitch into next 9 stitches. I will make it and I'll come back. Then make slip stitch into next 3 loops as shown now until arrive to the first stitch, first double crochet for the next 11 double crochet here. Now I will make slip stitch into back loop only for every stitch until arrive to the space of 3 chains. I will make it and I'll come back. Here I arrive to that space. I will make single crochet inside that space, then make 2 chains and make 3 double crochet together as shown now. and make 2 chains, then make another single crochet into same space, then continue making slip stitch into back loops only with the same sequences as shown now. And repeat with the same sequence across the row. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished that crochet butterfly and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.